Struggling for massage techniques to use on the chest? In 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the best methods for a complete treatment. Keep up, this is going to be quick. I'm going to start off with a diamond-shaped effleurage. So we're going down the sternum, down the upper arms, fingers down, up the back of the neck, bring it up to that occipital bone, and repeat. 10 of these would be a really nice start to a treatment. From here, we're then going to work either with kneading or a knuckling technique. Knuckling is this way. We're going to work over the pectoralis major. And from here we can do shoulder circles. Shoulder circles, we'll lean our body weight down into the shoulders, give it a little stretch and work our way back up. From here we can also get a little bit of traps at the back. So I can use this kneading technique on the upper traps. Okay, and now if I want to get more into the pec muscle, we're going to work here on this arm. So bring the arm out, just get the client to tilt their head away from you, and we're going to work with palmar kneading. Now on a female client, we would do the same, but we'd do it in this position. So there's protection there, and the client is in control. So we're getting into the top of the pec. We can do the same, we can go a little bit deeper with a knuckling technique, similar to Effleurage du poids. And we can also use a lengthening technique as well. On a male client, we don't need this position. I'm just showing for a female as well. Now from here, I need to get my client to relax, bring them into adduction, and just relax for me. That's perfect. So from here, we're going to shorten the muscle and then lengthen. And if we have that external rotation on the end, it's lengthening even more. Okay, lengthening on the pecs. Okay, we'll do that on both sides. So bring your arm down. After we've done both sides, we can finish off with that initial warm-up technique up the back of the neck to soothe off. I hope you have found this 2-minute tutorial useful. Please drop me a comment below if there's anything else you would like to see. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one.